32 years, but till now no steps has been taken to fulfill our constitutional demands. So I urge the central government to look into the matter very seriously, because the cultures and our literatures, our boundaries, everything comes in danger by encroaching from some neighboring states and from outside foreigners, including into our districts, so the people and the cultures of our two districts are in danger. So we strongly demand the promises that you have made during the time when it was Lok Sabha elections. Several leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party and many honored leaders have made promises that if the party is voted to power in the elections, they would fulfill the demands and the long-standing struggling demands of the peoples of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. So in these last dissertations of your 5-year terms, this is a great opportunity to fulfill the demands of our backward classes, backward districts of Assam, that is Karbi Anglong and NC Hills. So we the people have gathered here and strongly demand to immediately implement the long-standing demand which was started since 32 years back. So we are still hopeful that your promise will be fulfilled in this winter session. And with this, I conclude my speech. Kardom Juthai.
Public, all are with us, so we think that the government has to do so. Our government would fulfill our demand. So there is no division, there is no inequity among us. We are all united, we are all for autonomous. So I am very happy that our people are with us and our government also taking interest. So I think that this our demand will be fulfilled without delay. So here I want to conclude my speech, and once again I offer my heartiest thanks to all the organizations who have participated in this rally camp, Dharma camp rally, and as well as I offer my heartiest thanks to the leaders of various student, youth and political leaders, and I hope that they will do seriously and they will think seriously on the issue for fulfillment of our demand without delay. So, I will not say more, and I offer my heartiest thanks to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Mr. Tudiram Rohan, as well as all the honorable executive members of Greater Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the honorable member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, as well as the Chief Executive Member of Dima Hasao Autonomous